HG Star is a pioneer and leader of laser industrial application in China. Global leading provider of laser equipment and intelligent manufacturing solutions. At the same time, it is also a core subsidiary of HGTECH, a national high-tech listed company, having ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and ISO 14001 Environment Management System certification, committed to innovation and breakthrough to meet actual needs of customers in various fields. We constantly enrich our products and solutions, expand the full industry chain layout of laser intelligent manufacturing. In the laser industry, the company has 4 research and development centers overseas, having over 100 senior experts in the laser industry, focusing on breakthroughs in the core technology and the development of forward-looking process technologies. 23 service centers worldwide, top-notch after-sales service, ensuring quick response to customer inquiries, promoting the development of human productivity through innovation, fully connected, fully perceptive,